happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So before we begin today, I would like you to please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe. Once you're done subscribing, I would like you to comment, I subscribed. So today is going to be a lot more different. I'm actually going to be introducing you to a new product. Meet the ELM 327. I purchased this off Amazon and I'm actually excited to test this product out today. You can purchase this off Amazon and I will place the link in the description as well. And it actually comes shipped from the UK with a disc as well. So what this disc includes is a software to all the software needed to run this OBD2 adapter. This OBD2 adapter basically runs protocols from your smartphone via Bluetooth connection. It actually reads your horsepower, reads your torque parameters. It can do much more, clear fault codes, much more. So what you can do is install the apps that are required for this from the App Store, or you can use a disk which comes with this OBD2 adapter and install the APKs on your phone. So once you're done, you can actually connect via Bluetooth to the car. I recommend that you actually start the car and plug these OBD2 adapters in because you don't want to be running on a low battery. When you have your vehicle idling, you actually have a low chance of running to a drained battery. So you're actually going to connect the adapter by the footwell area, so why don't we do that right now? Yep, you can see the lights flashing, which means it's plugged in. So now you can go ahead and connect via Bluetooth connection from your smartphone.